Hello to my corner of gadgets where we buy things that we don't need with money we don't have. That's I've been told, the official sport of the United States during Thanksgiving. But since this is not Thanksgiving, I'm going to give you a great recommendation. Let's go and see what I have for you today. Juan Goni, it's me, and my title is myself. So I was thinking, what should I put on self? It's like gadget, technical guy, guru, just me. I'm Juan Goni, and me. Today, we're going to talk about 3 different products. That is what I use normally when I create my videos. Very good friend of mine, one of my followers from Miami, who is creating a channel about food, asked me, what do I use on my regular basis to record my videos? So there are 3 components. The first one is the DJI Osmo Creative Package that comes with the regular Osmo camera, DJI version 3, plus a wireless receiver and a wireless microphone so you can have a better quality of the voice. The second product that we're going to see today is a handlebar to give more stability and more grip to what you're recording. And finally, a case, a handle for that. Okay, let me explain how this works. The first thing we're going to see is this. This is the DJI Osmo. This is the regular camera. It comes with these 2 additional components and a small tripod that I'm not including here. So when I'm on the field, I just put this thing here, okay? And now I can use this small DJI wireless remote when I am filming on the field. So this is the microphone that I usually put it here. I have a very cool product that I want to show in a couple of days. And the camera. What is my problem? With my big hands, it's not easy to record and it's not very stable. Even though the camera has some great stability features, it's not the best. That's when we come to the next one. All of these products can be found here. Please take a snapshot of my location at Amazon. You can find this product. So the next product is this device that you connect the receiver from the DJI. You put it here, okay? You put it here. There it is. It has a small, I don't know how to say in English, tornillo, has a small, I forgot the word, but I'm not going to look for it. So you attach this with that screw. That's the word. That's the word I was looking for. With the screw. So everything is falling apart. So you attach it with the screw, and now this device, that is the receiver for the DJI, you can add a little bit of components. It has the normal tripod connectors plus a little direction holes, and you can also use it with your regular tripod connector. Okay, this is when the next product comes into the equation. The next product is the handles. These are the handles. What is the purpose of the handles? The handles will allow me to connect to the base and at the end, the camera. What? So with these 3 components, we have the base, we have the handles, we have the camera. Okay, so what is the purpose of this? Let me show it in the big screen. Once you put all the things together, so we are going to connect the handles. I'm going to put the handles here. Let's change the view so you can see it in full picture. Perfect. So you can see it there. And I am going to put it, okay? So it even comes with a small Allen on the bottom of the device. So you can even put more pressure into the connection, and this is magnetically stored. So once you have it, there it is, the whole device. Okay, so now what is the purpose of this? You grab your camera and you can record and hold the camera with more grasp. You can do better shots. You can use your wireless microphone. You can connect it to a tripod. So this unit, it's more stable, definitely more stable. It looks more professional, but who cares about how it looks? And it gives you more stability when you're shooting. That is very, very important. So this is the combination of the three gadgets that I use. It is the camera plus the base and the two handles. This is what I use when I am in the field. I can grab it with one hand. I can grab it like this. I can pass and goes to my backpack. Here I have the camera on my own. So this is my preferred choice to record all the products. All of this are located at my page at Amazon. So I buy my products from Amazon, so why not having it there? And this permits me and allows me to do better shooting, more stable, and that's what I'm using today. So this was the gadget that I have for you guys today. Remember, follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, and you will be seeing this and other cool videos around technology.